There have been a number of factors that have contributed to the proliferation of cyber attacks. One major factor is the increasing amounts of personal and sensitive data that is stored and shared online. This information is often valuable to cyber criminals and can be used for financial gain or to use to disrupt operations. Additionally, the increasing use of technology in business and in personal life has led to more opportunities for cyber criminals to gain access to sensitive information. Furthermore, the growth of the internet and the increasing interconnectedness of devices and systems has made it a lot easier for cyber criminals to launch attacks and spread malware. Finally, the lack of adequate cybersecurity measures and educations amongst individuals and organizations also plays a massive role in the increasing number of cyber attacks we're seeing globally. BCX is proud to be the event sponsor for this year's ITWeb Security Summit. The event typically features a wide range of keynote speakers, panel discussions, and workshops, which cover a variety of topics related to cybersecurity, such as threat intelligence, cloud security, incident response, and more. Overall, the ITWeb Security Summit is considered an unmissable event because of its excellent opportunity for industry to stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends, technologies, and best practice, in addition to connecting with peers in the field. BCX looks forward to seeing you at ITWeb Security Summit 2023 to network with peers, understand the challenges that we're facing, and how do we as a community face those challenges together.